evaluator. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Okay, good evening, Satish, the target speaker. Satish has given his CC5 today, a story to be heard. A very good topic selection, isn't it? I was very much able to relate to my school days when I went to the green room to practice my speech or whatever. We were all able to relate to the topic. Will you all agree to that?
Yes.
And when coming to the objectives of the speech, he made a very good use of the stance, and the body movement was purposeful and you didn't move unnecessarily, and the posture was poised and balanced. Topic selection was again apt, and the organization was very good. He started with a quote, he ended with a quote, and the body has had a very good message and a story. And visualization, yes, we were all able to visualize to the stage and the room, etc. And very confident you were on the stage, so that gave us the authenticity of the message. So coming to the critical part, if I have to give you suggestions, I have two suggestions for you. Though the topic selection is very, very good, it was very apt, because 1 point it was relatable to all of us, and 2, it was very apt for the CC5, for the body language. But you could have made more justice to the topic. The thing is, when you were saying, you sang, you could have used like the mic and you should have acted like, I was singing. And when you were dancing, you could have moved like this and showed. That could have been. And for drama again, you could have said, man came, etc. You could have done something like that, which would have made a better connect. And the second point is facial expression. We were all able to relate to the topic because it has happened in all our lives, in our school days or college days. But if the facial expression is better, we could have made a better connect to the topic. When you said I went to the stage enthusiastically, you could have used that. You could have been like, I was very enthusiastic because it was my first day on stage. If you had done that, it would have been better. And again, when you didn't know the role, for the drama, you said you didn't know what the role was, we're all wondering. So you could have been like, I was always wondering what it was about. That could have made a better connect. But overall, it was a very well organized, very well prepared and structured speech, very confidently delivered. Looking for your further few speeches.